Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and my friend found this awesome car, and I'm just gonna share it with you. But check out all my classic car videos, like and subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification. I find classic cars all over Long Island. I've actually been trying to buy this car for about 15 years, and my friend Jimmy actually said, "Hey Jerry, I have a, to purchase this vehicle, and I'm gonna have to work on it a little bit. It's been sitting." I said, "I know exactly what car it is." So guys, check it out. 68 GTO 400, maybe a Ram Air 2 car, not sure. His and her shifter, but it needs full restoration. And here's the man who found the car. But yeah, so we're gonna go through this, try to get the wheels moving. Everything is like frozen. It's pretty cool. Car is totally needs restoration. But if anybody is interested in the vehicle, please give me a call. Phone number is 631-620-1046. It does need a full restoration, guys. Matching number car, his and her shifter. It was a green car, black interior. We get it cleaned out, we get it moving. This is his and her shifter right there. Buckets, console, like I said, does need full restoration.
Hey, got it.
All right, he got it. Let's check it out. It's broke free with the pry bar. All right, well, we'll just get the other one going, rolling now, and I'll put it on my trailer. That's because we lubed it up, and good job, Jim. Good job. I wouldn't even care. It'll move once we put the tire back on. I'm gonna hold that fender up so I can show them the interior here. Just lubed up the door too. Roll down windows. There it is. Yep, his and her shifter. 68 GTO, guys. Show you the VIN number too. See it right there. Here's a data plate. There's a data plate on the car. So we got one wheel free. Going to be working on a few other wheels. Air is going in this rear tire, which is awesome. And like I said, like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. 68 GOAT. We do have the fender, we have the grills, we have everything for the car. Front bumper, excuse me, not fender. And it does need a full restoration, but pretty rare car. Is for sale. 400. His and her shifter, matching number car. Possibly a Ram Air 2 car, we just have to find that out. And it's out here in Long Island, New York. We're gonna get this bad boy rolling. I'll work on it today, so. Alright, check out my next video about the car, please. And we'll keep track of everything for you guys. 68 Pontiac GTO project car. Have a great day, guys. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia coming to you with another one. Bye-bye.